What's up everybody, I hope you all are doing great, and the topic of today's video is best Bitable video example. So today we are going to discover best templates we can use with Bitable online video editor. They provide us the opportunity to use tons of different templates they have. So here we are on Bitable.com. If you are new to this device, you just simply need to click on get started in the right top corner, or you can log in if you have an account. So basically I have an account, and now we'll come to my dashboard. From this page here we can just simply find the templates folder in the left side. So in order to explore all the templates, we just simply need to switch to this part here, and as you can see there is like tons of different templates we can easily use. But how can we easily interact with them? How can we find something which is suitable as for us? So in the left side, in order to help us to find the necessary template, there is different filters. Firstly, we can switch between different formats like horizontal, vertical, squared, or 4 to 5 formats. So if we need to create video, for example, for TikTok, for Instagram, for YouTube shorts, we can just simply switch to a vertical format, and here we can find tons of different templates. So we can just simply click on edit video to go to editing, or we can go to preview. The same way we can do with a squared format for maybe for Instagram like ads, for Facebook ads, and so on. There are a lot of templates we can just simply use, and the same way is 4 to 5 format. The next thing we can easily filter our templates is like categories. So we have a lot of different categories like ads, announcements, benefits, birthdays, compliance, like culture, education, explainers, farewells, like health, holiday, human, infographic, introduction, and so on. So the easiest way is to find the necessary category you want to use. For example, if you're going to find the real estate horizontal template, we need to use a horizontal filter and then just real estate category. And there is like a lot of different templates we can use, more than 10 templates which are related to this category here. Also, we can try to find some category which is like near the real estate. We can try to use maybe sales enabled like template and so on, because you need to understand that every single element on the template is customizable. So for example, if we found something in marketing area, maybe this template here, but we want to connect this template to maybe real estate, you can simply do this by simply changing all the text, all the things, all this stuff here. So this video looks like this, and we can easily change the text inside, so it will be now more related not with marketing, but more with basically real estate, for example. Why not? So in this case, it's even not that important to use filters, because we can just simply find something which is suitable as for us, and after that we can customize it in the case we need. So this is the most important part I wanted to tell, is that all you need you can do, because the template here is pretty easy to customize. And the other thing is that we have a search bar in the top of the screen. We can find maybe AI, try to find something related to AI, maybe not like this. Let's try to find maybe sales template, and as you can see now we have much more templates related to sales compared to AI. So for example, we want to use let's try to find something basically suitable as for me. I don't have any like category I want to find. I just want to find something which is interesting, like as for me, as for the user. So let's try to use the marketing template, maybe this one here. Let's click on edit videos, and I will show you step by step of how can we easily customize every single part. Firstly, let's try to go to style, and I want to change the background color. Basically, this is the first way of how can we change the wall template. And the second way I want to find is it maybe suitable to change the text color as for me. So I'm going to use this one here. This is the first thing I wanted to show. Then we can go to edit and basically edit every single thing we need to interact. So hi there, let it be the subscriber. In this case, we can easily manage all this stuff. So we can add the text we need, we can interact with parts we need, and so on. Also, we can add different things like basics, media, different words, backgrounds, and so on. There are a lot of options you can simply use, and in this case it's one more advantage as for Biteable, so we can just simply use this stuff here. So let's go back, and I'm going to use this one here. And basically we can also customize every single element by simply choosing it right up here, and then we can change the font. For example, for text we can make it bold, italic, underlined, and so on. And in this case it's pretty cool, and I think you need to try it. Definitely try it by yourself. And in this case we can add a sans, so we can manage all the text, add our logo right up here. And when everything is done, we can just simply click on publish in the left side, and then we can build a video. Publish and sharing are unavailable in edit only mode. It means that we need to upgrade our plan, and I'll show you a little bit later. But now basically our template is ready, so we can interact with it from our homepage. We can go to edit. We can one more time change something, but if we want to publish or we want to render our video, we need to find plan which is more suitable as for us, and in this case we are going to paid plan, and we have, like, as you can see, we have like pro plan and premium right up here. So there are like only two plans. So if you're going to pay monthly, the prices will be pretty high, like $99 for pro and $200 for premium. But if you're going to pay early, we'll have to pay only $49 per month and $99 for premium. So all the differences described right up here. At least we have like unlimited HD exports, a lot of stock footages, we can save one custom brand style and use unlimited video and screen recordings, also find video analytics and the support. As for the premium, we have like a team option to work with, access for 3 publishers, add more publisher seats when you need them, save up to 20 custom brand styles and custom fonts, extended video duration. So this is a way of how can we use Bitable templates, how can we find best Bitable video examples. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.